Hello, I'm Tracy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make a homemade pizza. The ingredients that you will need are warm water, bread flour, salt, sugar, and yeast. For the pizza sauce, you will need oil, tomato sauce, Italian seasoning, salt, garlic powder, paprika, pepper, and sugar. For the toppings, you will need pepperoni and shredded mozzarella cheese. In a small saucepan, under medium heat, add a tablespoon of oil. Then add the tomato sauce. Pepper, salt, paprika, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. Mix the ingredients. Then add the sugar. Mix and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Put this in a small bowl and set it aside. In a stand mixer bowl, add the warm water, add the yeast, salt, and sugar. Let this sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the yeast looks frothy, add a cup of flour. Mix in a low setting for a minute. Then add another cup of flour. Mix again under low setting. Lastly, add the last cup of flour and mix under low to medium setting for 5 minutes or until there's no more flour sticking inside the bowl. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and proof the dough for 2 hours. After 2 hours, the dough will double in size. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a clean pastry board, sprinkle it with flour and flatten the dough using a rolling pin. Transfer the pizza crust in a round baking pan. Then use a fork to poke holes in the dough so it doesn't develop bubbles when it bakes. Spread the pizza sauce evenly. Then add the shredded mozzarella cheese. Lastly, add the pepperoni toppings. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And here's the final results. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified for my next video. Have a great day!